First impressions are priceless.
I'm Dr. Kenny Levine. For the past 37 years, we've been helping patients of all ages restore their smiles. Today, with modern technology and lasers, we're able to treat infants of 7 days old. We treat their parents. We help them not only keep their teeth, but restore function for the rest of their lives.
Call 954-603-7109.
Hi, this is Dr. Kenny Levine. I'd like to welcome you to a brand new show in South Florida. It's called Health Talk with Dr. Kenneth Levine. That's me. I'm a periodontist. I'm a dentist who's a specialist in treating the gum and bone of your teeth and doing cosmetic procedures in your mouth. But this is not going to be a show about dentistry. This is going to be a dental and medical show, talking about your entire body, talking about all the things that dentistry and medicine and all the ancillary services can do for you to keep you healthy and vibrant, young and attractive for the rest of your lives. We're going to be meeting with different doctors twice a week. The show is going to air from 6:30 to 7 o'clock on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and you'll be able to see it streaming live on the web at www.tvchannel19.com, and it can be seen anywhere around the world. So our guests can tell their friends all over the country and all over the world to look at us live, and they'll be able to come in and see what we're doing, what the latest advances are in dentistry and medicine, and we'll also be able to talk about opportunities that you have to stay healthy for the rest of your lives. We've been in our office in Tamarack, Fort Lauderdale for the past 37 and a half years. Actually, February 17th we'll be celebrating 38 years in the exact office where we are right now. There used to be cows in the backyard, but now the neighborhood has grown up around us, and we work with probably 50, 60 dentists in the community and their physicians to provide the best possible care for their patients. We also work with their physicians to make sure that whatever we're going to do for their patients is going to benefit their health and enable them to have a more comfortable lifestyle. We treat patients of all ages. Our youngest patient up to date has been 3 days old, and we were referred that patient by a lactation consultant because we treat babies who are tongue-tied and can't nurse properly. Those infants we treat with a laser, and their moms come out about 10 minutes later and say, he can nurse now. It's a wonderful life-changing event for both the mom and the children. We also treat adults up to, well, I guess we treat the great-grandparents of the babies. And I can tell you that we're able to reconstruct their mouths so that they can eat properly, they have proper nutrition, so that they can have proper health and be able to have nourishment and be able to smile with confidence. You know, in South Florida, a lot of our seniors, unfortunately, are single, and going out to eat is a big part of their social life. If they can't eat properly, they're very uncomfortable, they're embarrassed. They don't want their date to know that they don't have teeth. So we do everything that we can to make them comfortable socially, and when they go out to eat, they don't have to take their teeth out to go in and clean them out after the meals. They can have a complete social life. They can go dancing and whatever they want after their meals. So that's a big part of what we do. Traditionally, as a periodontist, I treated gum and bone infections of the mouth. But today, we do a lot of implant procedures to replace one, some, or all of our patients' teeth, whether these teeth have been missing for decades or just have to be removed at the time of our treatment. We treat children of all ages, as I said, and adults. We do cosmetic procedures. We treat patients who have gum recession. We treat patients who have the long teeth and the recession. We treat patients who have gummy smiles or short teeth. We treat patients who have bad breath problems. We do a lot of work with our laser today. With a laser, we can treat periodontal disease, periodontal pockets, with no stitches. We can treat them without anesthesia and with no pain at all. We use growth factors so that our patients heal better, quicker, and faster. And we use sedation. Patients are anxious when they go to the dentist. And you know, even the biggest guys, probably the biggest guys are the most anxious. In my previous life, I treated people who were football players for the Miami Dolphins. And these big guys don't like not being in control. So they're extremely anxious at the dentist. And when I trained in Philadelphia, we had patients who were on the Philadelphia Police Department. So dental anxiety is important, and I can tell you that we make even the most anxious patients comfortable so they only have a pleasant memory of their visit to the dentist. We'll be right back in a couple of minutes. I'm Dr. Kenneth R. Levine with Health Talk. I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.
Keep on smiling, 'cause when you're smiling,